Tuliweza kuona ni kwamba ndio
akiaria gicigo-ini kia Garissa, afitha wa Kamiti Professor Gitile Naituli augite uteti riu ni muthiru na riu ni ihinda ria Kenya kunyitanira hamwe hari waki wa bururi na kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere.
Once you have elected a leader belongs now to all of us. Whether we supported the leader during the election or not, the one who has been elected is our leader. All of us. All the people of this country.
Oho commissioner ni arauririe ateti a miaho yothe ya kiuteti gwithema gucogera arumithia yao na mithingi ya kinduriri guku akiuria mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhunjia thayu.
We are asking our leaders to be mature and to stop inciting us, stop misleading us, and encourage us to love one another and organize to unify us. And that is particularly the duty of the leadership that has been elected from the national level to the MCA. The job is to unite the people of Kenya.
Makira mogwa fitha ni araregania na ndeto iria koretwo ikirikana, kamiti ino ni irahingira andu amwe maitho, akiuga kamiti ino ni handite makira macira 300 magoti-ini magikuruhania ateti amwe aria makoretwo magicogera muingi guku bururi-ini.
2 3
Ngiripotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rakwa nĩ Ngugi wa Gatua.